thin line. In fact, there is a lot of overlap between physical infrastructure and digital infrastructure. And as we move forward, maybe in few years from now, that's the real digital age, when majority of things are, because right now if you look at any house, without a Wi-Fi connectivity, without surveillance systems, it's just four walls. So it's going to increase. Similarly on road, the vehicles are getting connected, the vehicles are talking to each other, vehicle is talking to infrastructure, where surveillance system. So more we move toward this, we require more cyber security things. Much bigger scale has to be much bigger than what we are currently now. So I was listening to him. There's the market size is actually just minuscule. It just started. It has to explode, and in next 5 years, really it will. And so I'm very happy that at this critical junction, at this time, IPSEC is being happening, and visibility. I mean, the people are also accepting it because over 350 brands are here. It's going to grow. And it has to, what we are doing, it has to go even much faster pace than required, because that's the actually going to be backbone when you are creating a set which is going to be driven by physical things. That's very important as well.
Thank you. Ashiji.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Ashish Takan. I'm Managing Director CEO of Prama India Private Limited, and here we are, displaying our state-of-the-art Make in India, and we proudly put our tagline that Make in India, made by India and made for India. So, recently, as you know, Alok Saab has said that we should adopt lots of norms and guidelines, and government is also, जैसे उन्होंने अपना presentation में भी just mentioned that government is not sleeping, and they are taking very active steps. In that active steps, last year government has implemented HTQC guidelines for surveillance industries, and many industry players are complying and trying their best. But what is the best output of this sort of guidelines? And I just want to acknowledge and I want to appreciate that our earlier dependency were quite high on, and we were being dependent, and it was easy go process, and just more like a trading used to do. But now, by such guidelines, we are not only doing making India, but try to designing India and try to developing India. So that is what the initiation and guidelines are helping us or pushing us to do that. So the entire technology remain indigenous, technology design remain indigenous, and we can give product and solutions which is being developed and designed by us, being tested by government authorities like STQCs and department, and we are being implementing. And it also motivates us, which once we came to know our design capacity, then it motivates us not only to remain in India but want to go global, and we can go to global and proudly can launch such technologies globally. That's it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Prashant, the person there in the show.
Hi, I'm Prashant Jain, Senior Project Director with Inform Markets in India. So as Yogesh has already shared the insights of IPSEC India 2025, we are into 18th edition. Just wanted to add a couple of few features which we have added for the first time. We're talking about AI, which is artificial intelligence. We have cyber security. I think most of the dignitaries they're talking about. So that is the key point which we're talking about here in IPSEC 18th edition. We have a lot of startup pavilions. So as I said, whether it is Atmanirbhar Bharat, Digital India, startup, we talking about that on the floor. So yeah.
Thank you. So you have heard from our speakers. Now the floor is open for any questions from media. If you want to address it to any particular speaker, you could just address directly, or anybody from the panel can take your questions. Yeah. We have the mic for her, please.
In what regard? Compliance?
Like how, if you talk about AI like the solutions, so there is a lot of loopholes which can be there, hacking is a very big problem which can arise. So if you talk about the compliance side, what are the guidelines from the government and how they are going to be implemented?
See, like in our department, we generally involve the government agencies and IC only for developing our system. So they take care of the cyber security. But definitely all things cannot be developed by NIC. Still, most of the things we are learning through NIC only. What are softwares we are developing and using in traffic. And it is but definitely we also have to involve the private vendors and some other outsourcing things. So we have to develop, and government is making the policy, and we are just trying to do, because we are not so experts. We need their expertise, knowledge to counter this thing. For that we have NIC, and definitely we have some guidelines. We can develop our own team also. We have our own cyber cells also in Delhi Police. Like so, for that we can take help from them also.
Just I want to add something to the SIRS as well as SIRS comment. Just I wanted to add that right now cyber security domain is controlled by something called a SOC. And you go to Google and give the blank search, so what are the these SOC tools available in India and make in India, because we have to purchase whatever we are purchasing, any of the government organizations, we have to purchase through GEM. In GEM we have a basic mandate that we have to go for make in India only. So if you are at the GEM, make in India, and don't have any tools there, that is Splunk is there, the best tool in the world is Splunk for checking the cyber security things. We cannot purchase, it's not created in India. So all top 10 tools, they are not created in India. We are lagging there. And we have already done, last year we have done RFP, it failed. This time again we are saying, whereas government of India is not giving the scope that please go for the international players. So we have to secure our country, but we don't have guns. So this is that type of scenario. So we have to look into it very deeply. And some of the, like Amrita University, we are doing testing. We are doing testing with BITS Pilani, we are testing with IIT Delhi, we are testing with IIT Kanpur also. And with the help of these educational academia, we are trying to create, like Amrita University, we have already given 80 crores of funds to them. Please create something good. We are also talking to BITS Pilani also. Please something create for this country. भाई हम कहते हैं कि जय हिंद जय देश, जब जय हिंद जय देश करें तो क्रिएट भी तो कर दो. It's not like that we are fully dependent on the foreign media. When Zoho type of things are coming, then all the world is pulling the leg of Zoho. So this type of scenario is there. We are relying on Zoho because email system, complete email system of government has been given to Zoho. Now people are saying that you are making it unsafe. It's not like that they are saying. We are there. We are front-ending is being done by NIC, then on behind Zoho is there. Infrastructure is with me. That servers, capacities, the storage, that is guarded by NIC itself. And then application is there. And ours is the admin. They are not the admin of the data. They cannot see data. It is encrypted. Okay. So people have to understand. So we have to build capacities in the society as well. Otherwise, what will happen from the parliament, like parliament is already going on, we have out of 4 parliament questions, 3 are based on Zoho itself.
So we have more questions.
Yes, okay, thank you.